welcome to our channel. Today we are going to review hot fire gun, Nerf gun. So this is a blaze strong manual soft bullet gun. So it includes 10 pieces. You can see 10 pieces, and in the behind they have put the instructions for how to use it. So let's unpack. So come on, I'm just gonna open it. So you can see here the packet, they put some bullets. It is little unopened. There might be some trouble during the packaging. And so this is the bullets. So we have your sticky bullets and normal bullets. So, and next let's open the gun. You can see this is the gun. It's hot fire. So you can look at it. It has a sniper, that aiming thing, and you can see at it. It has some holders for 4 bullets, and you can put another bullet here. So let's try it out. So let's put one bullet, and then let's put one sticky bullet, and take another sticky bullet. And let's pour them down. And take two bullets of this. Okay, so let's try it out. So I'm gonna shoot it here, guys. Okay, so the bullet came out. What you have to do first is you have to close the lid. There might be some disturbance. Please don't mind it. So come on, look here. I'm gonna fire it. Whoa! That was one strong bullet. And it is not a soft bullet actually. It hurts a lot. So it goes very hard. It goes super fast. It's not like a normal other Nerf gun, like a zombie strike Nerf gun. So this is a different one. So it is very fast. Look, it's a boom. But it hurts really. It hurts. I can say that. So come on now, let's try with the sticky bullet. Okay, it's not this one. So just, you can see that, guys. It got stuck here. Oh my gosh. Let's put it. Okay, this is very effective. This is very good. So I'd say that this gun is very good, very awesome, very cool. So if you want, you can buy this gun in Amazon. And that's it, guys, for today. Please subscribe our channel, like, and please share the video to others. And please make our channel know worldwide. We'll see you guys in another video. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.